Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how you can add multiple email accounts on one Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open Gmail. On top right corner click on profile. So here add another account. Then select your email provider. I want to add Outlook account. So put your email address. Then click on next button. Now enter your password and click on sign in. Stay logged in, yes. Click on next and my another email is added. So now let's check. On top right corner click on profile and you can see that my other email account is also added. So in this way you can add multiple email accounts on one phone. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.